I would like to submit to Gurudev that it is also a question from my side also. The question is, I am puffed up with vanity and I haven't done anything that is important. I think I am important, but nobody else thinks I am. How can I become humble? How can I become humble?
You see, you remember the teachings of, I heard it from our most revered Gurudev. Our Gurudev was well connected with our Shiksha Guru Paramahansa Sridhar Dev Goswami Maharaj. And they used to go to preaching in several places. Now, in one place, at that time, they had been to Madras. And Sridhar Dev Goswami Maharaj was made president. And another was made guest in chief, Dr. Nagaraj Sharma. And Sridhar Dev Goswami, when all the devotees there, they prayed to him to take the chair as president. Then he expressed his humbleness. I have got no capacity to do this. As you have ordered me, I am to carry out the order of the Vaishnavas. In this way, he expressed his humbleness for some time. And after that, our Nagaraj Sharma, he started speaking. In his speech, he attacked the Dev Goswami Maharaj. By this humbleness, we cannot get enhancement. We cannot do anything. We cannot do. We shall go to hell all this way. By attacking Sridhar Dev Goswami Maharaj, he spoke. Ultimately, when Sridhar Dev Goswami Maharaj gave his presidential address, there he said, who will have the humbleness when he will see superior. A man who has got 1,000 pounds, if he sees a man who has got 1,000,000 pounds, will he be humble to him? He will be humble to me automatically. I have got 1,000 million, but he sees a person only 100. Externally he may show, I am nothing, but inwardly I have got 10 times more. When we see inferior things, we think we are superior. When we think superior, then we become humble. Highest object of worship is Supreme Lord Sri Krishna and his absolute counterpart. When you come in contact with him, always you shall have humbleness. So all the devotees, they are always submitting prayer and they are expressing their humbleness. Why? Even Kaviraj Goswami, Purisher Kate Hoite Muishe Logista, Jagai Madai Hoite Muishe Papistin Chaitanya. I am inferior than thee. Worm with the fishes or soul, inferior than. Who has written the holy life and precepts of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because he has got contact with Krishna. The Supreme Lord, he has got the grace of Nityananda and contact with the Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So humbleness automatically comes. Purisha is a Muishe Logista. Jagai Madai is a Muita Papi. I am more sinner than Jagai Madai. More nam jai loy tar papai. Those persons who utter my name, they commit sin. মৌনক যে তার পাপ হয়, মৌনক যে তার পুণ্যক হয়। Those persons who hear my name, their virtues will be finished. এবার জন্য বলে কে বা দয়া করে এক নিত্যানন্দ জগদর্শী। In this way, that humbleness will come when we will see the superior person before you. And when your vision will be that you know more than another person, so immediately then the humbleness cannot come. Automatically, all the devotees, automatically they have got humbleness. The highest devotee, they see everything. All these Thavar Jangam, they are all mobile, immobile, all the things. But they are saying all are connected, all are serving. Directly or indirectly, they are serving. They have got their sort of darshan, vision, good darshan. So they think, I am doing nothing, and everybody is serving, directly or indirectly. They are the highest Vaishnava. He is giving respect to all. In Madhyam Bhagavat, Ishwar Tata Dineshu Balishideshu Sujak, Premavati Kripa Paksha Jak Paradesham Madhyam. In Madhyam Bhagavat they preach. But the highest darshan is Shuddha Bhakti. They see the all are directly or indirectly. Hiranyakashipu also is increasing the glory of Prahlad in other way. And Nrsimhadev. They see like that. They say, I am insignificant. I am not doing anything. And everybody is sad. And deviation from that stage, the middle of the Madhyam Bhagavat and the next Kanishta Bhagavat, Archa Hare Pujang Shuddhayate, Bhakti Sujamdesha, Swabhakta Prakibis. He has got one qualification. The Supreme Lord is one. He is serving Supreme Lord. But has got no actual knowledge of the God. Conception of God is wrong. The God cannot be without devotees. He did not serve devotees. He got to appreciate to serve devotees or to serve any demigods. He is serving Supreme Lord. By serving Supreme Lord, he has got with great respect. That quality is there. But that is incomplete. Prakrita. He has not transcended this mundane domain. Next, they see Krishna, the worshipped and the worshipper. There is actual love. And they can serve. Madhyam Bhagavat can serve Vaishnava. When they see the Vaishnavas are there. Objectively. And their behavior is the four kinds of behavior. They have got love for Krishna, Supreme Lord, object of worship, as they serve the devotees, and the grace, those persons who are very sincere but are ignorant. But those who are hostile, they avoid to associate with them. Uttam Bhagavat, Sreshta Bhagavat, by the times of Madhyam Bhagavat, they preach. They can preach. But Uttam Bhagavat, in their own position, in their own holy position, they see everything is well connected to Supreme Lord. They cannot teach others.